On Monday, the government of India banned 59 mobile apps, including China's TikTok, ShareIt, and WeChat, terming them prejudicial to sovereignty, integrity, and national security. In an official statement, the IT Ministry said it has received many complaints from various sources, including several reports about misuse of some mobile apps available on Android and iOS platforms for stealing and surreptitiously transmitting users' data in an authorized manner to servers which have locations outside India. The compilation of these data, its mining and profiling by elements hostile to national security and defense of India, which ultimately impinges upon the sovereignty and integrity of India, is a matter of very deep and immediate concern which requires emergency measures, the statement said. The Indian Cybercrime Coordination Center, Ministry of Home Affairs, has also sent an exhaustive recommendation for blocking these malicious apps. On the basis of these, and upon receiving of recent credible inputs that such apps pose threat to sovereignty and integrity of India, the government of India has decided to disallow the usage of certain apps used in both mobile and non-mobile internet-enabled services, it said. The statement added that this move will safeguard the interest of crores of Indian mobile and internet users. This decision is a targeted move to ensure safety and sovereignty of Indian cyberspace.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.